Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to be cleaning. As you can see, there's no better way than to clean on a rainy day. We're also going to be reviewing a new product, so if you want to see what it is, continue to watch. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So on today's video we are going to be reviewing the Moosoo vacuum cleaner. So let's go ahead and open it. This is actually how I got it in the mail. Everything is nice and packed. The manual looks like a little brush to remove hair, and let's get it open.
No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. You know it's true, no matter where I go, I'm coming home to
Alrighty guys, so here's the other attachment. We're gonna remove the head and attach this and tackle under my couches because it's that time again. So let's do that.
acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers. Losing my pride, but I guess that's what love do to people like us, struggling to come through. We had a fire that we watched it burn.
Hey guys, so I do want to mention that these bristles are super soft. They don't even scratch the material that's on my couch. It's not like a leather material, but it's another kind. I'm not sure what it is, but as you can see, everything, if I scratch this, it will leave a mark. But the bristles are really soft, so that wasn't a problem in my couch. Also, I do want to show you the settings. It has two, and you just click here on the handle. Okay, this is how the other couch is looking. Let's go ahead and tackle it. As you can see, I do have a toddler that likes to eat in the couch. I am afraid to lift this up. Wow, so let's go ahead and do that. Get it cleaned. That way it will be nice and ready to decorate for fall.
Acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights. Think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers, 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 demons pushing all my triggers. I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers. Losing my pride, but I guess that's what love do to people like us, struggling to come through. We had a fire that we watched it burn out.
I do want to mention that it has amazing suction power. As you can see, it lifts up a lot of things from my rug, like crumbs and whatnot, but also it's very light, so I do highly recommend it, guys. I'm going to be leaving the link down below, that way you can check it out, but it is an amazing product.
My body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my
Alrighty guys, and then here I'm just showing you the battery. As you can see, it's very small. It did die halfway while I was cleaning and vacuuming, but I do like that it comes charged, not all the way, but it does come a little bit charged. It's super easy to put in. As you can see, I'm doing it with one hand, and yeah, I believe it needs around 5 hours or so to get fully charged. But yeah guys,
make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find. I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you really